Hey, it's Kirby
and Dana
from KJF-TravelAdventures, and we're at Disney Springs to go on a beignet adventure. Did you know you can get beignets at Walt Disney World? Yeah, let's go. All right, the beignets are at the Scat Club Cafe at Port Orleans French Quarter, but Disney's still very strict about not parking at hotels if you don't have a reservation. So we've parked at Disney Springs, and we are going to take the boat, which is the best way to get there. Let's go.
The only operating boat dock at Disney Springs currently is in the marketplace, all the way back behind Rainforest Cafe and the Days of Christmas Disney store.
Once you exit security, you'll take a left, and the boat dock is down here. This is the Sassagoula Steamboat Boat Dock. This can go to Saratoga Springs or Old Key West, or both Port Orleans French Quarter and Riverside. You can also walk to Saratoga Springs over the slow bridge.
Our ride's here. Let's go. It's about a 15-minute boat ride from Disney Springs to Port Orleans French Quarter. Then this boat was also continuing on to Port Orleans Riverside. If you aren't sure which boat to get on, just ask the boat captains and they'll make sure you get to the right place. You also pass by the Treehouse Villas at Disney Saratoga Springs, which is 100% on our bucket list of places to stay on Disney property. How cool do these look?
Obviously working on the pool, but this is one of my favorite pools on property because I feel like that is awesome. All right, so that's where the boat lets you off, and then you just go straight this way towards the main lobby area. On Neptune's Parade, that's the road, the walking road. If you were staying on Disney property at another Disney resort, you could take a bus basically to any theme park or Disney Springs and then take another bus to French Quarter. But I feel like the boat is a way better method of transportation because it's way cooler. This is the main lobby area of Port Orleans French Quarter, and that's where the cafe is. So let's go check it out.
Well, I would call the beignets at French Quarter a hidden gem. They aren't that hidden, so do expect to wait. We were there on a Saturday late morning, and we waited about 20 minutes or so for our beignets and coffee. I'm pleasantly surprised in my self-control to take a photo of these beignets before we dove in. You should be proud of me. I really do love the theming and attention to detail all over French Quarter. It really is cool.
There's some seating right outside the cafe, but if you go out and then take a left and walk into where the quick service is, there's a ton more seating. So.
And if you need beignets themed merch to go with the beignets you've just eaten, make sure you check out the gift shop.
And then you can smell like beignets while you have beignets. And then you can bring your beignets and your coffee home with you. Why aren't these shirts white so that when you get powdered sugar all over you, you can't tell? All right, just to mix it up, we're taking the bus back to Disney Springs. So the bus stop for Port Orleans is out the main lobby to the front door to the right. How are your beignets at Port Orleans?
Delicious.
End of vlog. No.
That's it. It's nice to be able to do Disney things without necessarily going into the park.
Mm-hmm.
So if the three of us had gone into the park that day, easily, I know you have an annual pass, but easily could have been $600.
Yep.
Instead, that day was less than $30.
Yeah, I mean, we spent maybe $20 on we shared one thing of beignets, and we each got
I think the beignets were 6 for like $12.
Yeah, and we got 2 coffees.
2 coffees and I got a juice because they didn't have non-dairy cream.
Which is the second time we've been at Disney for breakfast time for coffee, and they didn't have a non-dairy milk option for coffee.
And I don't have an allergy, I just have an intolerance, and it makes it unpleasant to be around me.
But it's the one place we struggle, which is crazy.
It's like, yeah, it just seems like Disney would have that more readily available. Whatever.
Were they better than the beignets at Disneyland? No, I agree. They were a little denser.
They were denser.
They were delicious, and I would 100% get them again.
Oh, yeah.
And I hope with Tiana's Bayou Adventure coming to Magic Kingdom that they are going to find a way to permanently put beignets in Magic Kingdom.
The beignets come with dipping sauce.
Oh.
And I don't think we talked about that. Since we got a 6, we got 2 dipping sauces. We got a salted caramel, which was
so good.
Stupid good. And a chicory chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
They were both so good.
And the coffee is chicory. It's Joffrey's brand, but it's chicory coffee. So it's New Orleans. But it was delicious, and we should do it more often. Okay. Anything else?
Nope.
Alright, I'm Kirby.
Dana.
From KJF Travel Adventures. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you're notified when all of our new videos drop.
Bye.
Bye.